We've had the biggest bullish week we've had all year. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade, and this is the weekend edition, good through Sunday, February 16th, 2014. On Friday, the markets did in bullish territory. Across the board, everybody was doing fairly nicely, except for small caps. Small caps and NASDAQ lagged a bit, albeit they are in bullish territory, but nothing grand. Precious metals, on the other hand, up nicely. Gold up 1.3%, silver up a whopping, staggering 4.6%. Nice way to end the week. We did have the most bullish week we've had all year, and is coming into next week. We have Fed minutes coming out, but here's a couple things I'm going to share with you. Personally, in my own account, very long going into this big long run. However, unloaded a good portion of my longs going into this resistance. We hit this resistance and dropped. We come up here, hit this resistance and dropped. We're coming up to this resistance again. I think we will get a drop. However, I'll explain to you, I think we'll probably get up there to that area, and I think we'll pull back to the 20-day moving average, be right around the 50% Fibonacci retracement. So I could see us pulling back to 1790s area, maybe as low as 1780 area. Pull back there, that's our bull pullback. We will have made a triangle, and we'd be looking for condensing or choppiness going into the future here. So that's something that I am watching for personally. Looking at the weekly chart, we will pop up here to this resistance area. We're almost there. We do have another trend line coming up. It's going to be a lot of resistance. I'm not even sure we'll be able to touch this blue line, but we may. But that should act as resistance, and we should drop thereafter. Matter of fact, I'm going to take that blue line, move it up there to that. So a lot of resistance right here if we do pop up. On the monthly chart on the S&P 500, we're building a base. Now that we've rallied back higher here, it's not too bad. As long as we can stay above 1800 on the monthly and do that for the next few months, that'll build a nice base for us to launch from. So that'd be nice. On the NASDAQ monthly chart, we're at resistance. So when you're at resistance, usually means you're going to drop from there. On the weekly chart, we're almost at resistance. So there's really no place to go once you hit these ceilings. On the daily chart, you can see we've been running, almost coming up to a resistance point. So I'm going to say to start off the week we could be bullish, but I really see the rest of the week next week going bearish, especially for NASDAQ. Here is gold daily, boom to the upside, looking very good. We did talk about this double bottom as being a buy opportunity. Hopefully a lot of you guys took advantage of that. Silver, we talked about this at this line, a buying opportunity while we're down here, and man, this has been on fire ever since. If you look here at a monthly chart, you can see we're getting ready to break out of the falling wedge, so this is still a great buying opportunity. On a weekly chart, we've already started rallying. We're already starting to lift up on some volume, so it's very, very good. On gold weekly, we're busting through resistance, heading higher. Here's the monthly chart on gold. We're already making the move past this wedge, which is really nice. A couple stocks of interest that on our bull list, we had one go up over 18% this last week, GMCR, and full disclosure, I'm in this one. I did sell quite a bit of it Friday because of this drop. That this has been a nice money maker for me. Another one, FNGN on our bull list. It had made these lows, looking for a nice run. We've had this nice run this week, up over 14%. Camp was up 10% this week. It went from here to here. This thing moves quickly. I'm actually in this one as a disclosure. DDD was up 9% on our bull list. Filled the gap. If you are in this one right now, this was a great buying opportunity. This gap down, run up, boom, off the 200 day, but looking to sell this one now. Get out of it if you can. Man, there's a bunch of them. PII, which disclosure, I'm holding this one. Big run. Had a nice run this week. Man, there's just so many on this list. The bull and bear list, very strong. Definitely take advantage of those lists. Nothing on the bear list. You don't want to be bearish in this market. Going into the next week could be a different story for sure. So I'd be remiss if you didn't do these things. Go to the website, and once you are here, simply do this. Here's all the trading videos you get each day. A trading course, take that, which is different than this trading course. They're both teaching the same thing but trained different ways. Sign up here, take the course here. Chart School, very helpful. Definitely, if you have a trading website, you want to connect to these free things. The premium courses, your next steps, the 201 courses, definitely do that. We do mentoring. If you want lifelong mentoring, you want us to mentor you, which many have. I've personally mentored over 800 people myself. I've definitely looked into that. That's how you get to the next level in trading. Take care. Safe trading. Out there in the live markets, make sure you do it with your eyes wide open and well educated.